In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in Canon Pixma TR7660a printer. So switch on the printer and lift it from this side so it will open the ink chamber. Let it stand itself. The ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. So press this lock and just take the ink cartridge out. So it's very easy to remove the ink cartridges. Just do it for all of the ink cartridges. Now take your new ink cartridge and place the chip facing forward and the lock this side. Also make sure it matches the color. Press it down. When you install it, it makes a little sound. That means it is installed properly. So it's very easy to install ink cartridges in this printer. And that's our last ink cartridge. Press it down and it will close the door, and also go to the printer screen. So ink cartridges are installed successfully. Press OK. So this way we can easily replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.